3D printing is a technology that you use computer software to design a model, and this model basically you want to come up with a design. Maybe you want to solve a certain problem, and then now this model, what you do after you have designed on a computer, and then you do the formatting. You are converting it into a format or a file that can be understood or interpreted by the printer. And then now that file, you save it in a flash disk, and then now you take that flash disk to the printer. Then you start now your printer. The printer will interpret exactly what you have put there, and then it will be able to tell you the time it will take to print that model. And then after it has done the printing, and then you can now do the after printing processes, like you do the cleaning, you remove the unwanted material that may be there, and then now your model is ready for use.